Some little covered wagon camp out tent things here they got here. Pretty cool. This is really a cool little park, actually. Big bonfire area. Yeah, this is really nice. Rancho Oso. Oso, yeah. Pretty nice place. I don't think I can get in trouble looking inside one of these. Let's look inside one of these. Let's see. Oh, little bunks. Little cots, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4 cots. Yeah, this is really cool. You got a horseback riding here. You can rent the horse trail riding. I think it's toured. You can't just ride the horse by yourself. You have to go on a tour. But yeah, those are little small cabins over there too. Yeah, this is neat. Look at the scenery. It's beautiful up there. Aren't these little cabins neat? They're all named different. There's just little camp huts. Oh wow, look at that. That's all you need. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's all you need. Got your outside picnic table, barbecue. You got the restrooms over there and showers. What else do you need? You even got horses right in your backyard. And if you want to play cowboys and Indians, you got the TP. It looks a little weathered, but I'm gonna go look at it anyway. Wow. I would like to have one of these teepees. Oh yeah, look. 3 cots. Very nice. Pretty cool park. Another big fire pit right there. Look at this. How can you not go wrong? This is a beautiful park. Very impressed with this park. Quite a few turkeys over here. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. There they are. Okay. Sign says waterfall trail. So let's follow this up. See if we can find a waterfall. I hear water, so that's a good thing. Might be a waterfall after all. Hear it? I don't think you can hear it. Yeah. All right. Let's continue. All right. There's the sound of the water I'm hearing. Where is the waterfall? Oh, that can't be the waterfall. Maybe it is a waterfall. They didn't say it was a big waterfall, they just said a waterfall. Pretty cool. Be a fun hike for the kids to come up here. Here's another section of it. It's continuing, so maybe there is a waterfall. Well, there's a little bit of more of a waterfall, but I'm still hiking up this hill. It probably is a bigger waterfall. It said in the brochure is a 30-foot waterfall, so I'm gonna see. So here we go. This has been really fun, actually. Weather's perfect. The scenery's beautiful. Just what I like right here. A lot of mosquitoes. Still climbing. Look at that. Finally, a hike, I actually see a waterfall. Look at that. I like that. Very nice. You gotta look at this. Look at that. And then look up there. There's that 30-foot waterfall. Oh man, look at this. Boy, was that worth the hike. Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. I'm the only one up here. Yes, sirree, look at that. This is the end of the line. Can't go no further. But look, I made it. Is that beautiful or what? I think I'm just gonna listen to it for a little bit. Wow. That was well worth a hike.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
That hike up at the waterfall was really fun. It was enjoyable, it was peaceful. I hiked up there every morning that I was at that campground. Probably, I think it was 5 times. But anyway, the whole time there was no one hiking up to that waterfall. That whole campground was full and I didn't see nobody enjoying that waterfall. But anyway, if you ever get a chance to go to that campground, make sure you go up that waterfall. It was nice. I'm going to end the video right here, and I'm going to give a few minutes of waterfall sounds that I took coming down from the waterfall. I thought it might be kind of enjoyable. I like the sound of just water running. Maybe you'll enjoy this. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see.